Hello friends, in this video, my challenge is I have to get these inputs, these totals that are shaded in green, onto a separate worksheet. So these numbers are simply just the sum of their columns, but for some reason, say for example, I need to get them onto another worksheet. It could be like a master sheet to find out where everything is. These can be any sort of examples. So what I would do is first I would just minimize this so it's easy for you to see. I'm going to create a brand new Excel workbook. Now that I have my other workbook, as you can see, it's book 4. So if I wanted this number 217, there are a number of ways I can do this. We could just copy and paste. So if I grabbed all this, selected, and I go right click copy, and I go right click paste values, we can do that. That's one way of doing it. However, what happens if it wasn't convenient? If the numbers were, say, in this cell and up here and down here, dragging won't be so simple. But then what's the option then? You would type it in manually, perhaps. 142. But you know, when it comes to my tutorials, there's always an easier way, and I'm going to show you how to do that straight after this break. Welcome back, friends. All right, let me show you and put you out of your misery. How would Henry do this? So we are still in our book 4. I'm gonna clear out our inputs from before, so we have a brand new sheet. It's very simple. You first press equals on the cell that you want to begin with, and it's a really good thing that most people won't know. You can actually select from a separate worksheet. So if I go here, Excel recognizes it. So I want to drag across this whole column. From there, Excel would input this formula, Excel hacks, which is the name of the original file. Let's call it the primary file. From the dedicated cells, press enter, and there you go. It magically appears there. To keep it consistent, let's give it the same color scheme. I simply just went to good, and that is exactly the same. 217, 142, 137. 217, 142, 137. And a really good thing is that it automatically populates. So say for example, if I was to go to the primary sheet, the Excel hacks, and if a number had to be changed, let's say AT, the number 13 was to change to some random number. I'm going to put in 900 so you can see the big difference. I enter here, changes here, 1104, and it automatically changes in my new book that I've created. So, and it also works when the file is closed. So let me save this book 4, for instance, and I'm going to go Excel, save as. I'm going to call it green values for this instance. Save. I'm going to close this file. Now I'm going to manipulate these numbers. So let's go B, let's change this 10 to say 800, change this C to 500. So we're really manipulating the data. Let's give this a big monster number. See how I've really altered the file? Now I haven't saved. Now wouldn't it be awesome if I was able to open up the green values and automatically the numbers have changed. There was no tricks in there, friends. That automatically did it. So that implies that it can work behind the scenes. I have blue values down here. So if this was like a master sheet, if I was to create something different, I go new. I'm creating a new sheet for the blue values. I'm doing the exact same. So I'm going to go to the cell that I want. I'm going to go equals, go to the blue values and drag across. I want the whole lot. Enter. There they are. Excellent hack, Henry. Let's grab all that. Let's give it the blue. Great. I'm going to call this book 5. Let's name it blue values. Blue values save. Chord blue values, let's close blue values and let's close green values because we already know. I'm not even going to save, don't save, so as it was. And let's manipulate some numbers, so let's jam some numbers across and make this the last one here. Let's give it 9,000. Henry, what would you like your bank account to be? Like this. How many subscribers would you like? A lot. How many likes would you like? How many followers? How many friends? Okay, cool. So I've manipulated the number. Pressing no save. Let's go to the file. Open recent. Let's go blue values. Blue values have had exaggerated numbers. Let's go to the file, open recent, green values. And they're exaggerated. 214, 214, 195. And we'll just change it here to change. And it instantly changes without me even touching it. If you found this tutorial fantastic, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and follow, and I hope to see you again next time. Take care.